Hello friends, in this video I'll be talking about certain important Python data structures and sequences. Python's data structures are simple and powerful. Mastering their use is very critical in becoming a proficient Python programmer. Let's start with a tuple. A tuple is a fixed length immutable sequence of Python objects which once assigned cannot be changed. The easiest way to create one is with a comma separated sequence of values wrapped in parentheses or round brackets. So in this video I'm using a Jupyter notebook environment, and here I've created a page, and to add a cell you can just click on this plus button and then you have a code cell. So now in order to create a tuple, I declare a variable called tup, and then I open up and close up round brackets, and then I can add the variables of interest inside the round brackets. So here is a tuple. So now I can print the tuple out using the print command. There you go. This is one way to create a tuple. Another way to create a tuple is to just declare the values without the round parentheses. For example, let's say you declare another variable called tup2, and now I'm going to copy this value and then just paste it here. This is also a tuple now. So let's say I copy this print command and then I print tup2. So now here you go. Even without using the round brackets, you can still declare a tuple.